Kyle Bear, and this is my bike. It's a Premium Solo 08. I just got these Fit Sky High bars and Fit Eddie Cleveland grips. I like them. They're nice. Gotta have the wide bars. And Odyssey Kevlar seat, not pivotal. I got Shadow Conspiracy pedals. They're pretty crappy, but they'll do. Good enough. I got Odyssey CS2 race forks, very light, like them a lot, and a Sun Envy back rim, and I got an Eastern bidirectional hub on it. It's pretty nice, and this whole setup's good. It rides real smooth. Yeah, so that's my bike. Leave comments and rate.